you the mic.
Good evening, I'm Natalie from the Philippine Star. So, first of all, congratulations, SB19. This documentary has all the elements of a must-watch. May drama, action, may comedy. So, I'm happy that you really chosen for a theatrical release for the docu. Kasi maraming diretso na sa streaming eh. So, alam naman natin talaga nagsastruggle yung theaters natin. So, I wonder anong decision, anong motivation doon, what went?
Well, for this kasi, what I wanted to show is really, a long form. Parang something refreshing ba. Kasi these days, content is everything bite-sized, short, right now. So, pero ang discipline ko kasi, and what I've learned is, a story can develop and develop and develop. So you have to put time, sobrang daming patience to really close a story for full circle like this. And SB19 deserves something like this. Kasi pwede namang okay, from kick-off hanggang US tapusin na natin yan. World tour tapos na, di ba? Pero there's so much more. So then nag-apply dun yung follow. So I really followed them and just really bet on this, like everything. Kasi parang tuloy na to. Kasi parang imagine like 2023 and then ngayon na-release and then everything happening and then I'm still filming pero I cannot tell anybody, ginagawa kong ganito. Hindi ko pwedeng pagmalaki na may just have to, be really patient and really wait for this time na makita mo yung first film na ko and yung company ko na matapos ganito properly. So it's really patience and you have to really like follow through. Kung ano ba yung nakita mo siya from the beginning. Like from the beginning, alam ko talaga susunod ko sila hanggang dulo eh. Parang, yung nga sabi nila parang, 80 hanggang dulo. Parang, hanggang dulo nga rin ako nagstay. And it's really a journey na I'm really happy and like really blessed, I think, because I got to know them so much more and everyone around them. Even si Derek Lorraine, finally nagpa-interview the last day after a year or so. So, ganun lang na-develop yung friendship and bond with them. So I think you have to know what story you want to say, what you want to produce, and stick with it. Kasi ang daming easy way out, pero you have to really push through, I think.
Perhaps ano rin po Direk, yung parang it's also, and I know SB19 will agree with me na this is a testament to how really the experience has to be shared. Kasi if it goes straight to streaming, parang kayo-kayo lang, di ba? Ikaw lang. So now that really people are gonna go to the cinemas and share this whole journey with their fellow 18, bring their friends. In fact, sa 18 mismo, sa Wednesday mismo, meron din akong mga tickets din for one of the cinema screenings because this really perhaps is best shared with other people. Diba po? Yes po. Yes po.
Tama naman po yung sinabi niyo. Iba po kasi talaga yung cinema eh. Iba, kapag sama-sama kayo ng tao manonood, parang siya yung tinatawag naming zone. Kumbaga, sa zone na yon punong-puno ng passionate people.
Yeah.
Yung surround sound, everything. Parang pag nagpa-perform kami, gusto namin lights, sound, lahat malinis. So, what better way to showcase a documentary than to put it in a theatrical way? Na talagang yung mga passionate people, gustong malaman yung storya namin, mararamdaman nila yung tunog, makikita nila sa screen yung mga emotion namin, tatagos sa kanila. So, yun po talaga yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit pinush siya na maging theatrical release po.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that and thank you for that question. Really wonderful. And so, room for one last?